The year was 1873. On a December evening, in the town of Behrampur, Murshidabad, an unexpected event occurred, sparking a fire of patriotism in a man who would go on to create a song that resonated throughout history. Bankim-Chandra Chattopadhyay, the deputy collector of Murshidabad, was returning home when his palanquin bearers unknowingly crossed the field, interrupting a game led by Colonel Dauphin. Furious about the disturbance, Colonel Dauphin stopped the palanquin, pulled Bankim out of it, and attacked him in front of notable witnesses. This humiliating experience deeply affected Bankim. The assault on his dignity as a respected officer became a turning point, awakening a strong sense of resistance against British rule. Determined to channel his anger into something greater, Bankim retreated to the town of Lal Gola, West Bengal. It was during this time, on 31st January 1874, he coined the powerful 12-letter phrase Vande Mataram, which means I bow to thee, mother. This mantra has since been a symbol of patriotism and resistance against British oppression. Bankim-Chandra Chattopadhyay later incorporated Vande Mataram, blending Sanskrit and Bengali, into his epic novel Anand Madh, published in 1882. The song's powerful message resonated with Indians, quickly becoming the anthem of the freedom movement. In 1896, the song was first sung at a session of the Indian National Congress by none other than Rabindranath Tagore, bringing the powerful message to a larger audience. Vande Mataram became more than just a song. It was a movement. During the anti-partition struggle in Bengal in 1905, the song united people across the nation, urging them to rise against the imperialist powers. The impact of Vande Mataram was felt far beyond Bengal. On 11th February 1907, the Vande Mataram movement began in Andhra Pradesh in response to the Bengal partition of 1905. The movement ultimately contributed to the reversal of the Bengal partition in 1911 and played a significant role in advancing the national movement in Krishna district. Aurobindo Ghosh wrote about the purest national spirit the song created among the people during the struggle in his article in Vande Mataram magazine on 16th April 1907. However, the British government saw the song as a threat. In 1910, under the Press Act, they censored Vande Mataram publication and banned the song itself, labeling it seditious. Despite this, Vande Mataram found its place at the center of the first version of the Indian flag designed by Bhikhaji Cama in 1907. As India marched toward independence, Vande Mataram remained at the heart of the struggle. The song's legacy endures as a testament to the power of words to inspire change and unite a nation. Bankim's literary prowess and patriotism transformed a personal humiliation into a national movement. Across India, the mantra Vande Mataram was chanted by millions, its words igniting the flame of resistance. After India gained independence on 24th January 1950, the Constituent Assembly adopted Vande Mataram as the national song. India's first president, Rajendra Prasad, declared that it should be honored equally with the national anthem, Jan Gan Man. Vande Mataram is more than just a song. It is the anthem of India's soul, a tribute to the land and its people. As long as the spirit of freedom endures, so too will the timeless call of Vande Mataram. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.